Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Walls and Kitsch. This is Pooja, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can make this beautiful quirky gift that I made for my husband for his birthday with very inexpensive things. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. We need 4 photo frames, or like I have mirror. These are from Dollar Tree. Decorative rope or lace, colorful sheets and push pins. Here we need to tie all the 4 frames together, so you can use any thread or decorative lace. Here this is just to show you guys. Similarly, tie it at the bottom. So this is one way. I'm going to use this golden craft rope, which is again from Dollar Tree, and here I'll show you the second way of tying both the frames together. So we'll keep making these rings from top to bottom. So here's 2 ways of tying frames together. You can pick any one. I'll go with this one. Similarly, we'll join the other 2. So now we will join this part. The process is same just like before. So this is how it looks after putting pictures. Here I'm using this foam to give these pictures a title. You can use cardboard as well. And I'm using colorful sheets to make it colorful. You can paint as well. I made this little loop at the back to hang by gluing it with strong glue. I used E6000. You can sew it too. Now here we need to join the board, the title board, with the frames. I'm going to use the same decorative rope to join both the corners. Here again I'm gluing the knots. You can use any strong glue instead of E6000. This paper strap is just for extra securance. Let this dry for 2 hours and you're done. On this title board we made, you can write something about your pictures or give heading to them, whatever you want. You can further decorate it with these little colorful push pins. I have further made dots around each alphabet with postal color that I had. This is completely optional. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.